I'm Jessica. Today I want to show you a flip through of the Gamma Matthew C level. This covers single and multiple digit multiplication. It's perforated, so all the pages tear out really easily. If you wanted to put it in page protectors so you could reuse it with other kids, you can. It's big enough to write on with a pen, I think. I don't do that, but you could. Okay, so here is the table of contents. Each week has A through F and a test. So you're not going to cover one chapter each week unless you double up or skip something. Oh, they also have an enrichment in each one, a G on each level. I don't know why it's here. I guess it's just if you want extra practice. I wish it was on here though, so you could just kind of keep track. So if you want to check off what they're doing, you can. I don't normally do this. I just go to the next page. But here's all the things you're going to cover. Basically all of multiplication. There's only 30 weeks scheduled here, but if you add the F's to it, it gives you about 6.5 extra weeks if you do one page a day. So it still comes out to a full year of math. Matthew C. program has an application and enrichment section at the back. They're not in the table of contents. It only takes a couple of days to do it. And they usually just have A and B, so it's not very long at all. The glossy, and then they have a certificate you can give your kids too. Right. We love Matthew C. If I had had math like this in school, I would not have struggled with it, I don't think.